With the Lido mPilot 6.6 release, we've enriched the Lido AMM with a variety of new ground data. Firstly, we've added a halo around each hotspot boundary to enhance visibility. Simply long tap on the hotspot area to open the lookup window. This provides access to the hotspot description. Intersection takeoff positions are now depicted on the runways. Runway dimensions are displayed on lower zoom levels. Long tapping on the intersection takeoff position opens the lookup window. Each intersection takeoff position can be selected as a taxi destination. No entry signs are also now available. These are indicated as no entry road signs at higher zoom levels. At lower zoom levels, they are marked directly on the airport surface as such. Different categories of the ground points are also depicted, including standard points, virtual points, and low visibility points. An underlined point ID indicates the availability of a textual description in the attribute lookup, which is accessible via long tap. EMOS is also depicted when it is present at the end of the runway. At higher zoom levels, the outline of the EMOS area will be displayed. When lower zoom levels are selected, the EMOS label will be additionally shown. Next, we have the stopway. It includes a clear outline around the polygon for improved visualization. The visualization of the closed taxiway has been enhanced to include stripes outlining the entire area of the closed taxiway or taxiway segment. This concludes the video presentation. Thank you for your attention.